Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this super cool professional wireless lavalier mic system for the iPhone by a company called Pitaba. This is a really cool product. You've got two wireless lavalier mics here, and then you have this little receiver. And these are wireless rechargeable, so you plug them in with the provided cord USB-C and charge the battery in here. You're going to get about 5 to 6 hours of working time when they are fully charged. And then this guy doesn't have to charge. It plugs directly into the lightning port on your iPhone and it gets its power that way. But what's cool is there is a pass-through charging port on here as well, so you can plug a lightning cord into this in order to get pass-through charging if you need that when you're using it. Really awesome device and great sound. Very simple. Once you plug this in, it automatically powers on. You have a little power button on these devices. You long press them to power them on. You'll see them flash red to blue when they're pairing, and then once they're connected, solid blue, so you know that there is a connection. They have a nice little clip on the back there, so it's easy to clip onto your lapel. And then you're good to go. It's pretty simple. What I want to do is I want to jump over to some demo videos so you can see the difference between me using just the built-in iPhone microphone versus using these guys, and also using two of them so you can see that you can have both of them connected at the same time. Okay, so this is test number one using the mic that's built into the iPhone. I'm about 3.5, 4 feet away. I'm going to move. Now I'm about, I don't know, maybe 15-ish feet, 15, 18 feet away. I'm going to talk in the same voice, and here I am. And then I'm going to move all the way back here. I don't know how far this is because I'm horrible with that kind of stuff, but probably about 30 feet away, more or less. And this is the sound that you're going to get from the built-in mics. And I'll continue to talk as I walk back towards it, so you can see just you know, how it does and how it's picking up, what it isn't picking up, etc. Okay, so in this recording, I'm using the lavalier mic, and again, I'm about 3 feet away, and you can hear how that sounds with this mic picking the sound up. I'm going to move back, so now I'm about, I don't know, 10 or 12 feet away, I'm guessing, and you can hear what that sounds like, and you can hear because this mic is picking up my voice and transmitting it. There shouldn't be any change, really, because it's picking it up right here by me. And now I'm going to go all the way back. And now I'm about 20 or 30 feet away. And again, because I'm still using the mic, it's transmitting my voice. You hear the sound. It sounds good. It picks up well. You don't have the distance and you don't have all the sounds, the ambient sounds that are all over. It's picking up specifically me. And now I'm going to talk as I am walking towards the camera, so that you're towards the iPhone, so that you can hear what it sounds like just the whole way as I'm talking and walking. And yeah, that's the sound through the lavalier mic. Okay, so I'm standing far away from the iPhone just so you can see that this does pick up, but I want to demonstrate that you can use both mics. This is mic number 1, and this is mic number 2. So now I'm talking through mic number 2. So you can have these mics on two different people's lapels and have two people recording at the same time. I'm going to go back to mic number 1. And again, this is mic number 1. I don't know what this is going to do, but I'm going to try both mics at the same time. Since I don't have two people to hook them to at the moment, I'm just going to talk through both, and you can hear that sound is being picked up through both. Again, this is mic number 1, and this is mic number 2. So you can see these things work great. I love that they're just plug and play. Just plug this in, power these on. They connect to each other automatically. You don't have to do anything. And then you're good to go. And you could hear the difference there when you're using the microphone. Now these are using a digital transmission in order to get that connection and get the voice. But really great, really sounds so much better than if you just use the mic on the iPhone, especially the further you get away or the more ambient sound there is. Because this goes with you, it helps you get that really nice, clear sound from the microphone. And the fact that you get two of these in this set, so you can have two people, if you're doing a vlog or something like that, in an interview, then you can have two people connected and be using this for that. So really helps take your iPhone filming to the next level in a very simple and affordable way. So if you're looking for a lavalier mic to use for filming with your iPhone, then this is definitely a product I'd recommend. You get to not only do that, but do it wirelessly. You get 2 mics, very easy to use, but works really great. So really excellent product, definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.